For this smoothie, I'm going to use my old kitchen blender because you can do that. You can make smoothies with a regular, conventional kitchen blender. A high-end blender, like a Vitamix, is excellent if you're working with all frozen or a lot of frozen ingredients, frozen fruits or ice cubes. But if you don't have a high-end blender and you've got frozen fruits, just take them out of the freezer, put them in the refrigerator for a while until they thaw out. And then you have cold but soft ingredients that your blender should handle just fine. So that's what I did this time. I'm going to be making a papaya mango orange smoothie with fruit that was frozen, but I thawed it out in the refrigerator. So let's make this smoothie. So I'm adding to my blender jar 1 cup, about 240 milliliters of orange juice. You can use water. A lot of recipes say to use water, but I always think of juice because juice will add flavor, it'll add nutrients, so why not use juice? 1 cup of papaya. This weighed about 130 grams. And then 1 cup of chopped mango. This came in at 105 grams. I'm going to put a really ripe banana in there. No brown spots inside though, so it's not overly ripe. Drop that in there, clean up my mess. And then I have 3 mandarin oranges that I've peeled and put them in the refrigerator to keep them cool. You could put 1, 1.5 regular oranges depending on how big they are. And then I always like doing this. Add some seed, either chia or in this case I'm going to be adding about a tablespoon of ground flax seed. That's it. I'm ready to put this on my blender and blend it up. Turn my blender on. I'm going to start this on low, and once this has had a chance to grind up a little bit, then I'll switch to high. That looks pretty smooth. All right, let's see what I got here. Nice, thick, frothy smoothie there. I might have enough for 2 additional servings, so I always keep jars, clean jars in the refrigerator. Let's see if I can get $10 to 12 ounces in each of these. No. At least 1. So as I always do, pour this into that one, and I have 1 extra 12-ounce serving. Put a lid on that, put that in the refrigerator. Meanwhile, I want to taste my smoothie. Okay, now here's the real test. Is it smooth enough to drink through a straw? Oh, that's good. That's got a really nice flavor. It's sweet. Tastes a little bit of all the fruits. And it's got like a nice tropical flavor to it. That would be really refreshing on a warm summer day. So excuse me, I'm going to go enjoy my papaya mango orange smoothie.